Profit Boost tip: clone your sales efforts to generate more leads. The number one reason why most business owners struggle to generate enough leads is that they are invisible to their target audience. To sell more, you need to get your message in front of more people. Not just anyone, but those who fit your profitable target audience profile. Marketing is really a numbers game. The more prospects who see your offer, the more opportunities you will have to generate more leads. You need to look for opportunities to reach larger numbers. If your sales process depends on personal face-to-face contact, your results are limited to the number of prospects you can see daily. On the other hand, you must look for ways to clone your selling process so you can reach more prospects simultaneously. Have you considered directly reaching out to either key influencers who have big audiences that match your target audience, using paid online advertising channels that target specific audiences, collaborating with alliance partners who offer non-competing services, building a team of affiliates who want to refer you new business, or even hiring more commission salespeople? You need to structure your marketing approach so sales can be closed daily and through a variety of channels. You need to collaborate with other companies and leverage people and technology to help you grow efficiently. This will free up your time and allows you to clone your best sales approaches and techniques, thereby increasing your revenue generating capacity. If you are new to our channel or enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you would like additional marketing strategies to increase sales and boost your profits, subscribe to our channel today. If you'd like help to optimize your current marketing and sales channels, go to www.growthadvisorondemand.com. You can book your free 15-minute Profit Boost session where we can brainstorm several ways to optimize your current sales efforts so you can quickly generate more leads today.